friends, my name is لاریە. I'm in grade 6B. Today I'll ask a couple of questions to my classmates and my friend to see how their summer went. Be with me. Hello, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thank you. And how are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
Giaco,
What grade are you?
7A.
Okay. How was your summer?
It was very great. How about yours?
What did you go on any vacations?
Yes, to Turkey.
Okay, where did you go?
Istanbul.
Okay. How did you communicate with your friends?
Using the internet.
Okay. Did you go on any courses this summer break?
All the online courses.
Okay. What was the online course?
How to be better at languages.
Okay. What did you do most of your time?
Playing games.
Thank you so much. And now I'm gonna ask question to these two. Hello, how are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm great. What's your name?
My name is Mustafa Ziyad. My name is Riyamit.
What grade are you guys?
I'm 4. I'm 5B.
Okay. So, how did you spend your summer?
Very nice reading books, playing on electronics, but with half an hour.
Okay. How about you?
Can play iPads and can play hide and seek. Done.
Where did you go on any vacations this summer?
No. No.
Okay. How did you communicate with your friends?
Very good. I go with the weekly random house with my friends.
Okay.
Very good. I'm go to my friend house and my friend's house and playing here, there. Yeah.
Oh, did you go to your family's house, like your grandma, your uncle?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Did you do any fun activities?
Of course. Of course.
Thank you so much. Now I'm going to these students. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm great. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Lazil. My name is Sally.
What grade are you?
2E.
2E. Was your summer fun?
It's good.
It's cool. Okay, did you go on any vacation?
I go Antalya. I go Antalya.
Okay, did you have fun?
Yes. Yes, I have.
Did you go to any course?
No. No.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
My name is Sana.
What grade are you?
I'm grade 6.
How was your summer?
It was very good.
Did you go on any vacations?
Yes, I did.
Where did you go?
I went to Iran
For how many days?
for like 5 days.
Oh, okay. How did you communicate with your friends?
I would call them.
Okay. Did you have any activities like play or something?
Yes, we would make stuff, like make paper stuff with my friends.
Did you go anywhere, like your grandma's house or your uncle's house or your family's?
Yes, I would.
Okay. Are you happy that you're back to school?
Yes, I'm very happy.
Thank you so much. Now I'm gonna ask these two students. How are you guys?
I'm feeling fine.
Me too. Okay, what's your name, guys?
My name is Ruha Rawand.
My name is Malik Firyat.
What grade are you guys?
I'm grade 5.
I'm grade 5C.
How was your summer?
It is actually very good.
It was actually brilliant.
Okay. Did you go any vacations?
Yes, we did. We went to my grandparents' house, which is very far away from the country.
Okay, how about you?
I got to my grandmother's house and it was very fun.
Did you do any activities?
Yes, we did. I went to a learning school so I could learn my Arabic there.
Okay, how about you?
In my grandmother's house, we played, we ate, everything.
Did you go on any course on the summer?
No, we didn't.
How about you?
No way.
Okay, are you happy that you're back?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am. I can't wait for this year.
Thank you. Great, what's your name?
Mina. I'm fine.
What grade are you?
2C. 3B.
Was your summer fun?
Yes.
Did you go on any courses?
Yeah.
What course?
I go tripping.
Okay, how about you? Did you go any courses, study? No?
No.
Okay, did you go on any vacation?
I did.
Where did you go?
Iran.
Okay, how about you? Did you go on anywhere? Have any activities? Okay, are you happy that you're back?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Shah. My name is Lina.
How was your summer?
Good? Great.
Did you go anywhere like a vacation?
Yes, Dukkan. I went to the Hook and visit my grandma.
Okay, did you had any communication with your friends?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, are you happy that you're back to school?
Yes, I'm so happy. I'm so happy too.
Did you go to any courses?
No. No.
Thank you so much. Hello, how are you?
Good.
What's your name?
Rewan.
What grade are you?
1.
Did you have fun in your summer?
Yeah.
Did you go anywhere?
I go to Slimani in Baghdad.
Okay, how are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
Blunt.
What grade are you?
1.
Did you go to any courses?
Pretty much.
What course did you go?
Maybe like Shukla.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Mansur.
What grade are you?
1.
Did you have fun in your summer?
Yes.
What did you do most of your time?
And Wednesday.
Okay, did you go anywhere?
Yes.
Where did you go?
In London.
Okay, thank you so much. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Lida.
What grade are you?
I'm grade 6B.
Was your summer fun?
It was pretty fun.
Did you go anywhere?
Yeah, I went to the cinemas and I had some fun with my families.
Okay, did you go to any courses?
No, I didn't, but I went on a few weeks course. It was about swimming.
Okay, did you have fun?
Yeah, it was really fun.
Are you happy that you're back to school?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Shewa. My name is Talar.
What grade are you?
I'm grade 6B.
I'm grade 6B.
Did you have fun in your summer?
Yeah, I had a lot of fun.
I had a lot of fun.
What did you do most of your time?
I was kind of like doing my technology and stuff, but at the same time I did reading too.
I read a lot of books and stuff.
Did you go anywhere like a vacation?
Yeah, I went to Sakran. It was so fun.
I went to Turkey and Iran.
Okay, are you happy that you're back to school?
Yes.
Yes, I'm very happy.
Did you go to any courses?
I don't know. Like
I went to Arabic courses.
Thank you so much. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, good. Thank
What's your name?
Eva.
What grade are you?
1.
Did you have fun in your summer?
Yes.
Where did you go?
I go market.
Okay, did you have fun?
Yes.
Did you see your friends?
No.
How did you communicate with your friends? Did you talk to your friends in summer?
Yes.
Did you go to any courses?
No.
Thank you so much. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
Vanya. And my name is Vadim.
What grade are you?
We're grade 4A. Yeah, 4A.
How did you spend your summer?
So fun.
Did you go on any vacations this summer break?
No. We just have fun.
Oh, okay. Did you go on any course? Participate in any courses?
Not really.
How did you spend most of your time in your summer break?
I were in the pool.
Oh, so you were in swimming? Right?
Yeah, we're in swimming, but yeah.
Okay. How did you communicate with your friends in your class?
Good.
So you talk together?
Yeah.
So you're sisters, right?
Yes, we are. Yeah.
Now I'm gonna ask my two friends. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Dia.
Media.
What grade are you?
I'm grade 6B.
I'm grade 6.
Did you have fun in your summer?
It was pretty fun.
Yeah, so good.
Did you go on any vacation?
I went to Iran.
No.
Did you go to any courses?
No.
Swimming.
How much have you been in swimming?
For 2 to 3 months.
Okay. Did you have fun?
Yeah, so much fun.
Are you happy that you're back?
Yeah, so much.
Thank you so much. We reached the end of the video. I'm so thankful for my classmates and my friends to be a part of this. See you next time. Bye.